many of you guys asked for this recipe. It is so simple, so easy. It involves ground beef. You can use any type of ground beef you desire. Ground beef is amazing, it's high in nutrients, and I tend to get the full fat version, and I do put butter in it to cook. Makes it nice and crispy and absolutely delicious. So that's the first thing you're gonna do. Then from there, you can switch it up and you can custom create it. So what I do is I like to take cheese. Cheese is like everyone's favorite, like who doesn't love cheese? You don't want any fillers like cellulose or anything like that. So you just get straight up cheese. This one's Irish cheddar by Boar's Head. We're gonna grate that. We're gonna put that inside of the ground beef after it's cooked. And we are gonna simmer it with either this is so good. This is Michael's of Brooklyn homestyle gravy. So it's simple ingredients right on the front, nothing artificial, nothing bad, and no added sugars. You're gonna put that in there, and you can add added spices. We can use peppers, anything that you want to really make it custom to you and what you like. You can use different cheeses. This one's Havarti. And then if you wanted to do more of a carnivore meal, what you can do is you can do the beef, the cheddar cheese, and then you can play with different sour creams or Greek yogurt. My husband loves creme fraiche. And what you're gonna do is you just mix that with different spices if you want. So super simple, super easy, quick meals that are absolutely delicious that everybody is going to absolutely love. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you try it down below.